Welcome everyone. Today's video, we're going to do a Q&A. So let's get into today's video. Now, I'm really lucky. I've worked in horticulture for over 20 years and I've picked up a fair few things along the way, right? And I've noticed a lot of my comments in the comment section is a lot of gardening questions. Now, what I want to do in today's video is I want you guys, if you've got a burning question, to drop down below. I want you, wait for this tractor to go past. What I want you guys to do is I want you to put your name, where you live in the world, and then your question down below. What I'm going to do on a separate video is I am going to address all the different questions. Now, if you're thinking it or you want to ask a question, then very often somebody else does too. So I'm hoping to make it maybe a once a month series where you just throw out your questions all on this vlog. So all the questions, please drop down below and we'll cover it on another video, perhaps towards the end of the month. Now, the questions can be absolutely anything in your garden, just nothing personal, please. But yeah, any questions, then please be sure to sort of drop down below and I'll answer them the best I can. I think moving forward, I could potentially do a live just so it doesn't look like I'm looking up the questions, the answers to the questions down below. But if it helps you out, then please feel free to drop it down and then I'll get back to you. There we have it. So ask me anything, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to run this for 1 week and then I'll close it and then I shall do a video on it. So till tomorrow, see you in the garden. You take care.